Hey everybody, welcome back to Budget Bushcraft and RV Life, soon to be known as, I think, Uncle Bry's Corner. I haven't been able to get out much due to some health issues, but we'll cover that in a later video. Anyway, I've heard that YouTube videos, no matter how great your camera is, if your video is really good and your audio sucks, you'll lose your audience immediately. So I've decided to upgrade my audio to the Sportkee Wireless Lavalier system. It's pretty cheap. I think it was under $30. Let's go check it out. Okay. Packaging, a little scuffed here, but drop ship. I've already opened this up, so some of the plastic on the inside is missing, but pretty nice little case, and it does have nearly everything you want. From left to right, hard shell case, an adapter from TRRS to TRS, the event that you need it. My particular Canon camera does not need that. You have a USB to USB-C for charging from your PC or using as a microphone directly into your PC. You've got two extra clips. You've got the standard wireless mic with a foam cover on it and a clip. You've got the dongle. You've got the other microphone, two dead cats, a USB-C to USB-C adapter and a USB-C to Lightning adapter, and the USB to USB-C charging cable. You can use virtually any of them. It does not come with a plug, but everybody's got at least one of those around, and a nice little instruction book that we will do that with. This does operate as a Bluetooth wireless system. So you hit the power button here, hold it for a couple of seconds, it goes into a pairing mode. And if I can show this, there is a power button on the back here. Hold that for a couple of seconds. You can see that it paired, and there's a green light on the back here. When it's charging, both these microphones actually have a red light that displays to show that they're charging. It doesn't have anything to indicate whether or not it's powered on. If it's just you can use this as an interview situation, or even maybe if you're doing a cooking video, maybe hide this behind something. This is a test of the Canon SL2 onboard audio at approximately 10 feet. This is about 20 feet, and I am speaking in my normal voice. This is about 30 feet. And I'm at the end of the driveway at about 45 feet. This is the Takstar shotgun mic at about 10 feet. This is about 20 feet. This is about 30 feet. And this is about 45 feet. Now let's go check out. This is the Sportkee Wireless Lav mic at about 10 feet. This is about 20 feet. This is about 30 feet. This is about 45 feet. Can't imagine I'd be any farther away from the camera than this, but it does say it'll go up to 65 feet. Let's go check. So I think I'm going to stick with the Sportkee Wireless Lavalier mic system. Anyway, if you like this or you'd like to see more of them, just leave me a like, comment, subscribe, share. Sharing is caring. Anyway, thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. Till next time. Later.